guys, thanks for stopping by. I have a ton of boxes. I got 4 boxes that I picked up from the parcels where they like have them for us. Um, and they're like taller than my son. Anyways, the first one up is KeeKee and Kayla. Well, it's Kayla Swap and her mom is KeeKee. She is on Instagram as Gator Chick, G8RCHIK, I believe. Give me just 1 second so that I don't send you to the wrong place. But it will be in the description so that you guys can check out her stuff. G8, the number 8, RCHIK. That's right. And she's an amazing crafter. Her daughter takes after her in that way, and she is also an amazing crafter. I have seen some of the swaps she's done with some of the other young crafters before. So, unfortunately, I don't know what happened, but check this out. First of all, look how big this box is, but look at, look how it is. Look, this whole corner is like bent in. Okay, well, I wanted to try to show you, but it's that big. This, like, my, what do you call it? My camera is probably, like, at least a good, maybe 20 inches above the table, and I can't fit this thing under. So we're just gonna pray that everything is okay in here. And Kayla and KeeKee were extremely, extremely generous and sent a little gift for all the kids in the swap. So thank you very much for that, KeeKee. We definitely appreciate it. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by pulling out one of these swaps, and we'll pull things out from here. Let me get it out so that you can see it, but here is a sneak peek of it. Well, bam! Oh, I forgot to take this one out. I'll take this out in a second. So we're gonna start with the main event, and look at how cute this is. Like, I don't know if you designed this yourself or it's a cut file or what, but this is so cute. Look at this. So this kind of popped out a little bit, but it's not a big deal. Or is it? Okay, I'm just trying to do the full 360. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Alright, so this is the front, and she's got this tube ribbon here. Sleigh rides, hot cocoa, fresh snow, Christmas cheer, and then these really cute glitter Christmas trees. I like how she did the pattern paper up top, and then it's different down here, and she's got like this pom-pom trim separating it. She embellished with these gemmies. Oh, I love the gingerbread houses. And then she has, I don't know if you can tell that it's green, but it's like a green metallic, I think it's green metallic Christmas letters here, and then she has some more decorations. And then she's decorated the whole way around. My girls didn't do that. And she has this gingerbread cookie here, and then she has the coordinating trim on the back, and another house. I like how it's like simple and understated, but it like looks really nice. And then another cookie. These are so cute, like so just the right amount of embellishment, and I love it. Okay, so I need to study this bow. She has tied it with 2 tubes. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, look how cute. She, okay, so obviously we can't open the prize until we have opened our food and eaten it. So, title, Kids Christmas Swap from Kayla. 06K0612. And then this was November 2023. How cute. North Pole Milk and Cookie Company. How cool is that? Okay, and then she has, okay, oh, this is the fry box. I should have known that. Okay, so she has, oh my goodness, how cute. She has, I don't know if you can see it, but it's Santa paper. And then she has a gold giant snowflake, and then this smaller glittery white snowflake in a red box, like super, super Christmassy. And then she has the perfect candy cane shred. Oh no, it came off. Okay, I'm probably gonna hot glue this back on for you so that it will stay. Okay, I'll do that before I send it back. And then, oh, she made a memory dex. How fun. You're the first one to make a memory dex so far. That's such a good idea. So it has this pretty, like, bubbly border, and then it says old-fashioned sleigh rides just ahead, cookies and cocoa included. And then she has a cardinal and a jemmy and a bow and some more jemmies. That is so, so sweet. And then she put her name on the back. That's so cute. That's such a good idea. Okay, and then I'm trying to put this back just how it came. Okay, and then the burger box. Oh, I do have to glue that back on, don't I? Okay, let's leave that out. Alright, so we have, oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, this is her burger box, and it has like a little flap thing here where this can go in and close. And it has Mary in gold sticker letters and some embellishments that are a little Santa, a elf, a reindeer, and it's just perfect. And then she has panels all the way around, see, like this. It's so cute. And then it just got folded in a little bit. Okay, so then in here she has, oh my gosh, how cool is that? She's got this flip book, see, and then it says Christmas, happy holidays, and warm wishes. This beautiful bow right here, and it opens up, and then it has some reindeers, some tags, a cute little Christmas tree, and then it opens like from this way, and it has these two panels. It's almost like a little, oh wait, and then you turn it to the back and it flips up. Look, how awesome is that? And I love the paper that you use, like the classic Christmas colors and these pretty tags. Is this the Scrap Diva Romantic tag without the back piece? I don't know, I love the shape of this tag. It's very cute. That is really, really cute. Okay, that snowflake is just like taunting me over here. Okay, let me get this back in. I think that's how it goes. Does it go on the outside or on the inside? Maybe it goes on the inside. Okay, I'll figure that out. Okay, and then I think this one on top, right? And then she has a prize, which is the cutest little gingerbread stickers. The kids are gonna love these so much. I'm trying to prevent the glare. Of course, it's not gonna let me do that, but look at how cute is that? That's so cute. Sorry to show it at a weird angle. I just don't want to get you with the glare. And then look at this. She even made a bag topper, and it has, I think this is faux leather letters, you guys. So fancy. And look at that. And some texture cardstock. So perfect. It coordinates like perfect. I'm telling you guys, these kids are going to outcraft us very, very soon. Okay, let me get these things out of the crinkliness. And then I think I'm going to leave this like this because it's packaged perfect and I won't be able to get it back in. But she has like a whole spa day of goodies in here. And she included more stickers, this like fun soap, or I'm not sure what it is, but it's some kind of like bath self-care thing, and a cute little chapstick, a bath fizzer, some hand lotion. It looks like there might be some kind of mask in here. Oh my gosh, how fun is that? You guys are gonna have so much fun. And then in this little carton, let's find out what she sent. So on the front she put candy cane, coffee, and cocoa shop. And then she has this tiny little gingerbread peeking out the side. She has put panels the whole way around. It looks gorgeous. And then this part is the part that I'm like so impressed with. Like I'm impressed by all of it because it's really good. But look, she made this little clothespin right here with a reindeer flat back, and then she left this piece like this so that you can take it off. I just think that is so smart. That was such a good idea. I am even going to scrap lift that. Ooh, look! How cute! I want one. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Look. Okay, so it's like I might have to open this. Give me just a second. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's not a necklace. It's 3 bracelets. And this one says Mary. Look at this. How cute is that? And then this one says Christmas. Look how cute. Christmas. Okay, I think you can kind of see it. And then this one has a gingerbread. The lampwork gingerbread from, I forget what company it is, but they sell them at Joann's. These are so cute. Kayla, you did such a good job. Like, seriously, I want one. Can you make me one? Okay, so I'm going to put this back in the bag, and we will see what else is in here. It might have to wait until Lily and Ellie do their video, just because I don't want to open anybody's present on their behalf. So 1 second. Holy moly. Okay, so I just want you to see she sent some for everyone in the swath. I am just, wow. That's so nice. Just like this whole stack of something for everyone. I think it's a shirt, if I remember correctly. But that is so sweet, Kayla. And there's one more thing in the box, so just one moment. Oh my gosh, she sent me a present. So I'm going to unwrap this, but I did want you to see, like, I don't know, I love beautiful gift wrapping, and I think she did such a great job. Look at this. I don't think, and you know, no offense, but I don't think that my fiance could wrap as good as Kayla wrapped this gift. So, just putting that out there. Nice! Look at this. It is a, like, full spoiling kit with lavender scented Epsom salt, foaming bath, body wash, moisturizing bath and body oil, and pillow spray. I don't think I have ever owned pillow spray. That is, like, really nice. Thank you so much, Kayla. This is awesome. I will definitely be enjoying this, and all thanks to you and KeeKee. But thank you, ladies, so much for joining this swap. I have had so much fun opening everybody's stuff, and there's still more to come, so everybody stay tuned, and I hope all the swap participants are getting really excited to receive their return swaps. Hopefully it's going to be early next week, so thank you everyone for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.